a recipe to share from Crystal Klug. Here's a recipe you might want to make for supper tonight.
Well, life is busy, and sometimes you need easy recipes for families who are on the go. And I'm joined today with Crystal Klug, and she's from the Columbus area, and Crystal has all three of her children with her. Tell me about the recipe you're making today.
This is a really simple slow cooker beef and beer recipe that I got off of the Nebraska Beef Council's Facebook page. And my kids and the whole family really loved it. I'm lucky because my kids eat mushrooms, especially if they're mixed in with other things. But as a mom of three, there's no better feeling than putting supper in a crock pot and walking away. And so it's great on those busy days. And that is what we will be making today. And first we have some stew meat that we're just going to put in the crock pot. You can also cut up a chuck roast too, and that might be cheaper than the already cut up stew meat. And then we are going to put in our mushrooms, and it calls for 16 ounces, but if you want to use less, you sure can. And I don't cut mine very thin because they'll be sitting in a crock pot all day, so I like mine a little bit thicker. And also it calls for just a can of cream of mushroom soup. I don't keep cream of soup on hand. I just make my own. So this is condensed cream soup. I've just found that it's so easy to make your own, so that's what I prefer. And then what else do we got, guys? Peas. So we're gonna add the peas in the last hour, or the last 15 minutes, so we're not gonna add those quite yet, but we do put the peas in at the end. And we forgot this is an envelope of onion soup mix. Last but not least, we're just going to add in a can of beer. So why do you guys eat beef?
Because it's good for you and it's healthy.
And it gives you lots of what?
Protein.
Protein. And what does protein do?
Makes you strong.
Makes you strong, yes.
And Crystal, how long would you let this go in the crock pot then?
So this would cook you can do it on high for 4 to 6 hours, or you can go longer, low and slow for 8 to 10 hours. It's a tried and true recipe, I promise.
I know your family loves it, and we're excited to try it as well. And if folks want to give it a try, they can look for it on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Crystal, thank you.